The community, what is in the community? That's where the rest of the population is. You and I and people listening in now will learn most of the things we know from the community. School taught us a little, home taught us a little, you get me? And then of course we did what? That's where we pick from. So the community has got the members. It has got all the professions in the community. It has got the local leaders in the community, the mass media, radio, television and print media.